What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. And recently somebody suggested that I do a little bit more talking about myself. So that's what this video is about to be about. I'm gonna let y'all know who Master Yoshi be. Woo! Alright, so I guess the best place to start is, why do I motovlog? And to start off with that, it's for the love of motorcycles. I've had a love of these things since the first grade, I believe. Now I'm a grown ass man, done graduated college and all that. Got me a career. But anyways, so in the first grade, that's when I first remember wanting a motorcycle. I don't remember if I still believed in Santa, but I know that's what I was asking for Christmas. So I was praying for it, I was asking Santa for it, and all of that. And then, as Christmas time was coming around, I saw a box with Yamaha on it, with the Yamaha logo on it and everything. And it was a small box, but I was like, oh, maybe that's some sort of part or component that's gonna go to this dirt bike that I asked for, that I know I now got for Christmas. Well, when Christmas rolled around, there was no dirt bike. Then I found out it wasn't the Yamaha Motors logo. It was from the Yamaha Instrument Company or whatever. It was some damn home theater equipment that my dad got. Oh, I was crushed. So fast forward about 4 years later, I was in the 5th grade. That's when I finally got my first dirt bike. And luckily, I was blessed because both of my parents are riders. So they weren't opposed to me riding. And I know that makes it hard for some people, when you grow up and your parents are telling you how dangerous motorcycles are and how against them they are and how much they don't want you to be on one. So I'm definitely fortunate to have parents who both rode. I remember my mom, she actually has one of them CBR600rrs. And I was in the 5th grade when she got her motorcycle. And she was all about it. She was subscribed to some sports bike magazines and all that. So I would, look at them magazines. I was even drawing pictures of bikes from this magazine. And when I started drawing motorcycles, that's when I learned that I love the CBRs because they got the undertail exhausts. So fast forward, let's see, like 16 years later, and I'm finally on one. So as far as motovlogging, the reason I motovlog is because I love creating content. I just love creating in general. I love the whole creative process. I like taking something from scratch, personalizing it, and being able to say, yes, that's what I created. I originally started creating content with some gaming videos. I started with Star Wars Battlefront. I was killing it in that game. If y'all know anything about kill-death ratios, I had that little 3.0 KD, you know what I'm saying? I was doing my thing, was recording that video, and then I started recording my Grand Theft Auto video as well. And in Grand Theft Auto, you personalize your characters and all that. And I had always been a fan of Japanese culture. So my character, they was wearing some Japanese style clothing and had one of those samurai type looking Onin masks. And then after I did that, I was like, yo, call me Master Yoshi on the game. So yeah, your boy Master Yoshi, he pretty corny, gave himself his own nickname and all that. Well, username, it wasn't a nickname. Don't nobody call me that in real life. But yeah, that's how I came to Master Yoshi. But as far as motovlogging, I knew I always wanted a motorcycle, and before I got one, you always gotta do your research. So I was looking up motorcycles on YouTube and stuff. That's when I found out about motovlogging. And not everybody makes the content that you want to see. So if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. So I was like, man, I ain't really seeing what I want to see. So I was like, when I get me a bike, I'm a motovlog too. I'm gonna document the whole thing. So if y'all go back to my first video when I first got this bike, that thing is trash because I mean it's all a learning process. So I mean my plans are to get to the 1 year mark. You know, I'm gonna post at least one video a week for a year, and then I'll just reevaluate after I get to that year. I mean, if this channel ain't really doing nothing, then I might be time to, you know, give it up. But I don't know, I still love creating content, so even after the year I might not post as frequently, but I'm sure I'll still be putting some content up. So that's why I got into motorcycling, and that's why I got into motovlogging. Go ahead and pass this food. Alright, so who is Master Yoshi on a more personal level? Well, I'm trying to keep my anonymity, so I ain't gonna tell y'all too much. But basically, damn, I don't even know where to start. So as I stated earlier, you know, I'm a college graduate. I have my career. I ain't gonna tell y'all what it is, because you know, type of work I do, you know, don't want to bring no attention to myself. But yeah, I'm a college graduate. I played football in college. I didn't go D1. You know, I was cold in high school, but I ain't go D1. You know, that's a motovlog for another time about how I feel the whole athletics thing is. But anyways, I didn't go D1, but I still went to a school to a division that provided athletic scholarships. They were partial now, I wasn't on no full ride, but either way I got most of my college paid for. So, you know, I'm fortunate to be able to graduate without all the debt that we millennials, you know, have to incur just to get a job. You know, it's crazy, you know, we go in debt to get a job to pay for the debt that we got so we can get the job. And it's crazy, man. It's like bachelor degrees nowadays are like high school diplomas. They don't get you nothing. After I graduated college, I moved back to my hometown, and I couldn't find any work in my career field, in my degree field. So I ended up, you know, I went back to my hometown, and I needed a job bad. So I ended up working for a call center. Now, talk about something just rubbing your ego the wrong way. Like I said, man, I was pretty cold in high school. You know, people had high expectations for me. I had high expectations for myself. So, you know, it was kind of crushing when I ended up going not D1. And of course, when not going D1, I ended up not making no pro career out of it. Then I ended up working at a call center back in my hometown. I got a college degree. I'm working on a job that you only need a GED for. But the job market is tough where I'm from. So I ended up working for a call center, man. But the blessings with having a job is, you know, the job search is less stressful when you have a job. I mean, I knew I wasn't going to make no career out of being no call center person. So, I mean, it was just a nice little thing to hold me down while I kept the search. Fast forward to, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So fast forward to now, you know, I got a real career, not just a job. And, you know, life is good. Life is good, man. So I assume this video, you know, has been running on a little longer. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all like this type of vlog where it's not totally geared towards motorcycles. You know, we talk about some real life stuff out here. Y'all gotta let me know so I can grow. I thank y'all for tuning in, man. If you like my content, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, man, I'm gonna hit this thing hard for a whole year and see what it brings me. All right, man, y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi signing out. Peace.